Hello, I'm David Roger, General Counsel for the Las Vegas Police Protective Association. Recently, two officers in DTAC responded to a domestic violence call. When they arrived, a suspect fired a couple rounds at the officers, either through the window of the apartment or through the door. Officers were able to get two individuals in custody, and they were charged with attempted murder on a police officer. Shortly thereafter, the two suspects were released on bail or without bail, which caused outrage among the law enforcement community. People took to social media to lambaste the judge for releasing two individuals who we had probable cause to believe shot at a police officer. It is important for us to understand the facts and understand the law that applies in these types of cases. I'm all for holding people accountable, whether it's the district attorney, the department, or a judge, but I would caution you not to shoot first and ask questions later. It's important for us to get the facts put together. So in this particular case, the district attorney went into court, and the district attorney did not have a complaint filed. And the district attorney asked for additional time to conduct further investigation, and that request was made on behalf of the FIT detectives who were trying to get DNA analyzed off of the gun that was used to shoot at the officers. So here is NRS 171.178 subsection 4. And this is the process that judges have to follow when individuals come before them who have been arrested based upon probable cause arrests. I'm going to produce a video on bail as well, and I would encourage you to watch both of these videos so that you understand the entire process. So this is 171.178 subsection 4. When a person arrested without a warrant is brought before a magistrate, a complaint must be filed forthwith, unquote. That is the statute. And so when you make a probable cause arrest, a judge has to, or the DA has to file a complaint forthwith, which means now, immediately, in order to facilitate keeping a person in custody. And the judge rarely has much to do with that process. Part of the process involves police and detectives and the department getting all of the police reports over to the district attorney's office so that they can review the case and make a decision on whether to file a complaint. The other half of the equation is that the district attorney has to review the reports and file a complaint forthwith. Now, there are no cases that define what forthwith means with respect to the statute. However, some judges will grant a brief continuance in order for the district attorney to file a complaint if they are in a position to file a complaint within a day or two. But if they are not, or they don't ask for additional time, the judge has to release the individual according to the bail statute. And so, in this particular case, the judge didn't have a complaint, or the district attorney had not filed a complaint. They had asked for additional time so FIT and the department could conduct a DNA analysis, and therefore they had not complied with the statute, which requires them to file a complaint forthwith. To compound the social media issue, people were sending or posting social media gripes involving the judge who would be eventually assigned to the case, that judge hadn't even heard the case. It was another judge who held the hearing. But in the end, understand that when you make a PC arrest, the department has to make sure that they get all the reports over to the district attorney quickly so that the district attorney can file a complaint forthwith. And of course, we hope that the district attorney uses great diligence in reviewing the case and filing the complaint, so we can keep those individuals, violent individuals, in custody. What you'll hear in the next video about bail is that that hearing takes place now in 48 hours, and there are standards that are in place which we have to meet in order to keep someone in custody. So that is the process in place. Please contact us and contact me if you have any questions. And in addition, before you hit that send button, try to take a breath and make sure that we have all the facts in place before we start firing off at individuals. Thank you very much.